Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a unicorn ice cream popsicle. So let's get started. To draw this cute popsicle, let's first start by drawing a circle for the mane. So I'm going to start right here and just create this circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it and stick another circle right next to it. And same thing on this side. I was tempted to make these flowers or so. If you want to make them flowers, you can just kind of make it a little bit more wobbly. But I think I'll just make them circles today. It was very tempting. Okay, so then now that we have these 3 circles in, and if you like, you can, oh my goodness, there's just so many options. You know what? We can come in here and just draw, draw another circle. So this way, when you color it, you can put in more colors. So same thing here. So it's just kind of like a flower. And then we're going to come out about right here, the center of this circle, and I'll just give myself a point. And same thing here. And with that point, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So a nice round curve for the top of our popsicle. So same thing over here. So now that we have this curve in, we're going to bring it down. Bring it down, and about right here, we're going to straighten it out. So same thing here. And straighten it out. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down straight. And I just need to look at my camera and make sure I'm going straight. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to create this line. So I'll say about right there, I'll stop, and same thing here. Okay, about right there. Then from there, we're going to come down and then round off the corner. And same thing here, just round it off about the same level, and then we can go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a straight line. There, so we have the base of our popsicle shape in. Then from there, we're going to come to the top, find your center again, and we're going to go straight up, say about this high. I'm going to round off this tip for our unicorn horn and bring it down. And then I'm going to come right about here and just draw maybe 2 curves for some details. Then we need to pop in some ears. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and come up, round off the tip and come down. And then the inside. And same thing here. Right there and down. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I was very tempted to add more. Not sure if I should, but if this doesn't look good, I'm going to go ahead and erase it, but I thought it just needed more stuff. So I'm going to come right about here and add another circle and then maybe another one tucked in the back. Just for more details and more things you can color to add to this popsicle. There, and okay, maybe I should just leave it like that. I was going to add more up here too. Maybe that would be too many. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and put in a cute unicorn face. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and come right about here and draw a big curve for the eye. So hard about drawing sometimes. There's just so many options. I don't know which one to pick. Okay, so now that we have this big curve in, we're going to come across across about right here and draw the same thing for another happy unicorn eye. And thicken it up. So I'm just here to inspire you, so definitely change it up as you want. Okay, now that we have that, let's go ahead to the top right here and just draw in 2 curves for some lashes. And same thing here. And let's go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a cute unicorn mouth. So right about here, I'm just gonna go ahead and wobble a W. Widen out W. And then of course we need the popsicle stick. So let's find the center, so which is about right here. And I'm gonna go to the left and go to the right. And so then about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a popsicle stick. So I'm just gonna angle it slightly. And let's see here, then go ahead and round, come down and round it off. And connect there. And then I'll add a heart right here, like all the other popsicles I've drawn, to make it my Draw So Cute popsicle. And then in terms of decorating, I wanted to come back up here and add even more. So let's come right here, almost forgot, add some drizzle. So our unicorn popsicle is extra yummy. And go all the way around. And then when you color this part, you can make it solid or you can add in some stripes to make it different layers. It's all up to you. But I don't want to draw, I think I might put in some different color layers, but I don't want to use my Sharpie because that's just going to be too dark. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this unicorn ice cream popsicle. I really hope you love how it turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.